You have to excuse the motorcycle going by, but anyway, I got this little thing here that I'm going to use at my son and daughter-in-law's house. They've got this cabinet that refuses to stay shut. I don't know if we all have one of those or not, but this little gadget is supposed to be the greatest thing since sliced bread when it comes to fixing that problem. But anyway, I'm going to open this up real quick. And this is called, I can't see because I don't have my glasses, but this is some kind of a heavy adhesive magnet that will go on the cabinet door. Now what happened was, I put a new kitchen in for them about 4 years ago, and they wanted a slide-out spice rack, which was a great idea. So I did a slide-out spice rack, and for some reason over time the slide-out spice rack likes to stay slid out. So it's always a pain in the neck. They've always got like this rubber band trying to hold it shut, and it never stays the way it's supposed to. So I bought this kit on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description for it in case you want to buy it. But it's actually 2 pair of very strong magnet latches. Very strong magnet latches here. So what you see is, you see a set here. And I didn't realize this, but you could put it on with strong adhesive. But this is stuck really good. So I have no doubt that this is definitely going to work for them. So there's 2 of them in here, right? There's a pair, so there's a front and a back and a front and a back. You use however you want to use it. And there's strong 3M, like car body adhesive. This stuff is fantastic. I don't know if you've ever used it before, but they put car molding on with this at the car factory. And once it's on, it's very difficult to take off. So I'm going to put these back in the bag. Just wanted to show you real quick what it is, and I'll let you know how it goes once I install it. So thanks again and have a great day.